Hey everyone, welcome back to Enchanting Endeavors. Today I'm whipping up a super easy and delicious herb and garlic cheese spread. Perfect for crackers, sandwiches, or even a veggie dip. In a pan, I'm pouring 1 liter of milk. Once it starts warming up on stove, I'm adding 3 spoonfuls of vinegar and you'll see the milk begin to curdle right away. Give it a gentle stir and when it fully separates, strain it using a muslin cloth or a fine sieve. In another pan, I took just a little virgin olive oil and added 3 cloves of garlic. I roasted them on low heat till they turned golden and aromatic. Now for that smooth, creamy texture. I'm taking a blender and adding in the fresh cottage cheese, the roasted garlic along with that beautiful garlic infused olive oil, a pinch of salt, some oregano, and just a little milk to help it blend. Blend it all until super creamy, thick, and velvety. And there you have it, the ultimate herb and garlic cheese dip. Serve it chill or at room temperature. It's perfect with crackers, veggies, or even as a sandwich spread. Try it once and you'll keep coming back for more. Like, share, and subscribe to Enchanting Endeavors for more delicious, easy recipes.